How much does paint correction actually cost? Well, it depends. And I know that's an annoying answer, but today I'll explain exactly what it depends on so you can get a realistic idea of what you'll pay for this service. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services, and let's talk about paint correction pricing. Now, a quick refresher. Paint correction is the process of removing scratches and swirl marks and imperfections from the vehicle's paint using machine polishing. It's not a quick fix, it's a detailed, skilled work that can take anywhere from 4 hours to 2 to 4 days to complete. Paint correction comes in stages for the most part. Stage 1, also an enhancement polish, is a single polishing step. It removes light swirl marks and adds gloss to the vehicle. It won't fix deep scratches, but it makes a big improvement to the vehicle. This typically costs between £150 to £360 depending on the vehicle size. Now, a stage 2 is a 2-step process, a cutting stage to remove defects, then a refining stage for the perfect finish of the vehicle. This removes most scratches and swirls. Expect to pay anywhere from £750 to £1,000 for this service. A stage 3 involves a wet sand for severe damage, followed by a multi-step polishing correction. This is for heavily damaged paint or show car preparation. Prices start from around about £1,500 to £2,000, and it can exceed the £3,000 mark. Now, what affects the price? Now, there's 3 main factors. Vehicle size: a Mini Cooper might take 4 hours, a Range Rover, it might take 8. The bigger the car, the higher the price. It's as simple as that. Paint condition: if your paint is hammered with scratches, it takes longer. A well-maintained car obviously takes less time to correct. Paint hardness: some manufacturers use harder paint that takes longer to polish. German cars are often harder. Japanese cars tend to be softer, to be honest. Now, how to know what you need personally? Here's a simple test. Wash the vehicle outside, then look at it in direct sunlight. If you see light swirls, like a spider web pattern, a stage 1 will probably sort it. If you see obvious scratches, and straight scratches that is, and the swirls are heavy, you'll probably need a stage 2 or beyond. And if there is deep scratches where you can feel, a touch on your fingernail, that might need a stage 3 or touch-up paint, or even paint it full stop. If you're not sure, send us a photo and we'll tell you honestly what's needed to the vehicle. At Hadrian's, a stage 1 enhancement starts at £450 including VAT. A stage 2 full correction starts at £750 including VAT, where ROOP's accredited, which means proper training and proper equipment. Paint correction is an investment, but it makes your car look absolutely incredible. If you're thinking about it, especially before ceramic coating, get in touch and we'll give you an honest assessment of the vehicle. I'm James from Hadrian's. Thanks for watching.